What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to go try something different for lunch. I found that there's a Mediterranean place up here, so I want to go see what they have and give some of their options a try, because it's something different stuff. So I want to go see what they have in the Mediterranean section of their offerings, and I will take you along with me on my journey. Alright, I am back, and this is where I'm going to go today. We're going to try something from Zoe's Kitchen. While I'm driving to go find somewhere it's shady enough to park and show you what I got, I ordered the falafel sandwich, and it is a falafel patty with classic hummus, sliced tomatoes, spring mix, lemon vinaigrette, served on a multi-grain bread, and the side item that I got was the turmeric rice. I also got a bottle of their water. I love this. This is like a can, but a bottle. It's so cool. And then I got one of their ginormous cookies. This thing is massive. While I was in there, you'll see all that in my goings in there that you'll see before you get to this part. So let me go find some shade and then we'll see what this is all about. Alright, found some shade finally. Take this thing off. Alright. This is from Zoe's Kitchen. Ooh. Fancy. They are falafel sandwich with a side of turmeric rice. So let's see. This is what the sandwich looks like with the lettuce and tomato. There's the falafel on that layer there. Ooh, it's green. Let's see how this tastes. Not bad for a vegetarian sandwich. I like that. You can taste the lemon in it. Alright, let's try their water. I like their water. I can live with that. Let's try their turmeric rice. See how this goes. Try to be real prepared, have everything open. You can taste the turmeric. Ooh, buddy. It's not overly salted. Very good. Rice is cooked well. It's not sticking together. Highly turmeric. I can assure you of that. It's good. Vegetarian sandwich with a side item of turmeric rice. This is really good. I don't overly taste the hummus. It's probably there more just as a glue, as a mayonnaise substitute. This is really good. If you want to break from fast food, from fried food, burgers, and all that stuff, definitely try a falafel sandwich. It's really good. I like that. Kind of pricey too, but what isn't nowadays? Something different. Let's give their massive cookie a try. This thing is huge. I'm really surprised that I enjoyed their falafel sandwich like I did. That was really good. The cookies are moist. Not overly chewy, but soft baked. That's good. Zesty lemon cookie. That looked interesting, but I'm not a lemon citrusy flavor fanatic. This is really good. I highly recommend Zoe's Kitchen giving them a shot. Check out their menu online. They have tons of options, different things to try, especially Mediterranean. Alright, that is it for my video today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you in my next video. Y'all be safe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.